Yo, what's up guys? Sequena here. Today is Thursday, 4th day of the week. Let's see what today has for us. As you guys saw how we ended up on Wednesday, our balance is on $9,800. So yeah, we are short 2% to go back to break even, but the aim is to pass today. This has been a long journey and I'm glad that I'm doing it in front of you guys. Whether we fail, whether we don't fail, but we still got the real content. So I see that the market is ranging between these two, the floor, I call it the floor and the ceiling, so the support and the resistance. So when the market reaches the floor, it has to buy. When it reaches the ceiling, it has to sell. Someone once told me that that's like explaining it in like simple terms. So at the moment it's currently at the ceiling level, so the resistive level, so we are looking to sell, right? So at the moment it's still chopping and I'm seeing this support level right here, this resistive level right here. If I just minimize it and do a deeper analysis, but I also see a trend line pattern right here. So let me just throw it. I see this trend line pattern right here. So this one is telling us that the market could buy, but I believe that maybe it might just go up to grab some liquidity and just drop. So at the moment I'm not gonna place any trade until we see something. Probably in the next 10 minutes, 20 minutes, maybe we might see something, because this is the 1 minute time frame. A lot might happen. My focus is to see how it reacts at this level that it's at, then afterwards to see what's the plan, because you have to read what the market is saying. It will tell you what's the plan. But anyway, we'll keep you updated on how the setup goes. Yo, setup update guys. So as I said, let me go to the 1 minute time frame. So actually, as I said, that the market might push higher to grab some liquidity before it sells. So I'm just gonna not waste no time but execute my trade just right here. This could be a beautiful setup guys. I just hope the market doesn't consolidate, because I see it has been consolidating. When the market is consolidating, it's gonna take everyone out, whether you're entering a sell, whether you're entering a buy. So but yeah, this is the setup right here. Sell executed. So yeah, so our TP is where we'll be passing, and getting funded. Hopefully we get there, or if we don't, at least we close above break even, 2% up at least, so that on Friday we can come back with a banger. But anyway, trade has been executed. Let's see what's the end result in this trade. So yeah, currently I like how it moved. I like how it went to grab liquidity at the upside there, and hopefully it's gonna shoot down. And my stop loss is too tight, so I'm not really crying much about how much we are risking on this trade. Yeah, but anyway, we'll keep you updated on how this trade goes about. Shout out. Trade update guys. So this is how the trade is currently moving. As you can see, we are running in profits, but the TP is still a long way to go. So let's see how it moves. Let's just hope it doesn't consolidate. But anyway, we'll keep you updated on how it moves. Shout out. So this is how it's looking on MT5. As you can see, it's melting, it's dropping guys. So yeah, let me just adjust my TP, because as I said, my TP is at an area where we are getting funded, so just right there. Yeah, so just right there is where I'm put this one too. So yeah, but anyway, we'll keep you updated on how it goes about. Let's hope for the best. Shout out.
A few moments later.
Second trade update, guys. What a bummer, man. Like, we were running in some deep profits, and looks like the market is doing exactly what we said we hope it shouldn't do, which is consolidating. So I really don't like how it's moving, because it hasn't really went anywhere since the Asian session. So but we'll continue holding until SL or until TP. So as I always say, the trade is not done until you're out. So it's not a loss until it has taken you out. It's not a profit until you have closed or it has matched your TP. So let's just keep holding and see how it goes about. Anyway, stay blessed and thank you for tuning in. Let's grow, guys.
A few moments later.
Yo, guys, as you can see, we've been taken out of this trade. It's a bummer, but yeah. Part of the game, and we're okay with the risk. We're risking 1% on this trade. I'm honestly tired of trading this phase 2 account, guys. I don't want to lie. I'm just waiting for my payout just to wash my heart, so we can move forward. But anyway, we are learning something. We can't avoid these things. That's where the knowledge is at. This is where we need to journal, take screenshots, and actually learn from this, But anyway, see you in the next session, which is the New York session. Shout out. Yo, what's up, guys? Back again. Now we're in the New York session. Let's see what this session has for us. However, guys, just look at how the price has been moving since the morning. Look at this. Like, there's no volatility, there's nothing. Just look. It has been just inside this rectangle ever since the morning, guys. Not sure if I'm gonna trade this session today. I mean, we already took enough losses for the day. And one mistake, we are out. So just look at this, guys. It has been consolidating, but we're definitely gonna learn something in general on Saturday, so we can see what actually happened this 2 weeks. But anyway, we'll keep you updated. Shout out. Yo, guys, as you can see, we've just breached our challenge account on phase 2. So it sucks, but guys, you saw all my trades. Like, I almost got funded many times. I definitely learned something from this. So yeah, but I can share a few words with you guys. What I learned from this, for me personally as a creator, is that I shouldn't go too public about whether I'm on phase 1 or phase 2, because that really put a lot of pressure on me. Hence, I almost got funded. I was running on 4% and short with 1% to get funded, but just because I want to show you guys, at some point I would just leave it and be like, let me leave it to TP, just for it to go back and hit me, take me out on break even, and it happened many times. So that's one thing that I learned. And in terms of strategy, I think it just goes to trading public with it. I think it's not a problem to show you guys my running trades, how much I'm running on, but not to tell you guys I'm on phase 1, I'm on phase 2. I can tell you guys after, that, guys, look at my history. Phase 1 history, phase 2 history, got funded, just like I've done in the past, But anyway, guys, it happens. I hope this shows you that everyone goes through this. And the funny part is that we breached our account on 5%. The account still has 5%. It's on $9,500. But anyway, we'll see you on the next episode. Thank you for tuning in. Let's keep going. Let's keep pushing, guys. You are not alone in this journey. Don't give up. Just because you see, even me, I just breached an account, but I'm not giving up. So who are you to give up, guys? There is to reward to giving up. If you give up now, you're not gonna get anything. But if you don't give up now, you will definitely get something, whether in 8 years, whether in 5 years, whether in 2 years, whether next month. But I'm telling you guys, and the reward will be huge than what you lost. I mean, this 10K account, I bought it for how much? I bought it for $29. What's the risk to reward when I win? I might win $1,000. I might win $800, even $500, even $200. What's the risk to reward to even making a payout of $200 when you purchased an account for $29? So guys, let's just keep going, stay positive and stay in faith, keep on praying. We all have things we are going through. Just keep your eyes in the vision. Whether you're going through a breakup, keep your eyes on the vision. Whether you're going through a divorce, keep your eyes on the vision. Whether you're going through family drama, keep on, to the vision, man. Like, I don't want to preach, but keep on, man, because I'm gonna say this stuff soon as we get to 800 subscribers and you can see my face. I'm gonna do a lot of motivational talk because I live by that, guys. I live by that. But anyway, let's keep going. Shout out.